Gardening means the cultivation of flowers on a plot of land. It is a good pastime. Some people take to gardening as a hobby. I am one of those who have gardening as their hobby. In our country, the rainy season is the best time to lay out a garden. At this time, soil remains soft and can be prepared easily for putting up plants. The weather is suitable for vegetation. During this season, anyone can set about gardening with ease and pleasure. It provides a diversion from monotonous routine work. When the flowers bloom, the garden becomes a sight to see. It fills the air with a charming fragrance. Gardening has economic importance also. Many people earn their living by means of the flower trade. Besides, gardening is a kind of physical exercise. It keeps the body fit and healthy. Thus, gardening has a lot of benefits.